those stairs. Whew. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, thank you for tuning in. I'm Joanne, or you can call me Jojo. I like to do videos on luxury handbags, fashion, beauty, makeup, and your fun lifestyle. So if you like the type of content, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. So today, as you can see, I've got all these goodies to unbox and unbag. And these are all great gift ideas to oneself. They're all under 300 Australian dollars. So for you guys in the UK, US or Europe, it's even cheaper. So now let's begin. So I'm gonna start with the Cartier. So this is the first boutique I visited after our lockdown here in Melbourne finished. So yeah, let's begin. So this is just my receipt. So it's not a jewelry, guys. Hopefully later on down the track I will get a jewelry from Cartier. So yeah, so it came in this little cute box. So yeah, let's unbox. Ta-da! So it's a perfume. So it's the Cartier Carrot. So I wanted to try this. I think this is one of the their popular perfume. So this is actually 50 mils and it's retail for 145 Australian dollars. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. Now let's unbox the Chanel. So I got this in Chadstone. So for those of you who don't know, Chadstone is the largest shopping center in the Southern Hemisphere. And I love going there. So let's do this. So that's just my receipt. Okay, so I've got the Christmas ribbon. I love the packaging, so beautiful. So I got a sample, Coco Mademoiselle perfume. I think this is one of the new ones. So I got the Les Beiges Chanel Water Fresh Tint in Medium Plus. Yeah. So I think this is one of new Chanel makeup. Sorry guys, I've got my little tablet here, so I know what I'm talking about. So it is the First Water Fresh Tiny Tint by Chanel. So this one you can use it on its own, or you can put it under your makeup or before your makeup. So I can't wait to try it. And also comes with a little brush, so that's good. Yeah, so that's that. And I've got the foundation, so it's called the it's called the Sublimage. I don't know how you say that, but anyway, that's that. So yeah, I can't wait to try this also. Let's open it and have a look. So I've been looking for, you know, a really good foundation, so I hope this is a good one. So it also comes with brush. Oh, that feels really nice. So that's that. And I also got some freebies as well. Okay, I got a serum. Oh, and a mascara. Okay, so the next one is the Dior. I also got this in Chadstone. So the beauty consultant was actually really nice, and he gave me all these samples. So yeah, it was really good. And he actually also gave me another freebie. Comes with, that's a nice bag. Look at this, guys. Look at the packaging. I love the Dior packaging. So pretty. So I got the holiday collection. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's beautiful. Love it. Let's even get the writing. So I got the lipstick set, guys. Let's have a look. Wow, that's beautiful. It's even got all that little, you know, Dior motif. Really nice. Can't wait to use these. Oops. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use the patch as well as a catch-all. You can even turn it into a bag. I think it's so pretty. What do you think? It's a clutch. So I've also got more Dior. This one I actually ordered online. But this time I did not get any Christmas packaging. So I think that I do it until the 1st of December. So that's just my receipt. It's still nice. And that's just my card. It says Merry Christmas Jojo XOXO. Enjoy. From me to me. Wow. I've got heaps of samples. Oh, they gave me heaps. Huh. Sorry guys, I'm struggling here. Wow, more samples. Okay, so first I got the Dior Holiday Couture collection. I've got the mascara and the serum set. That's the serum. Okay, and I've got the 30 Montaigne Dior perfume set. So that's it there. Oh, it's really cute. There we go. That's really cute. And I think so. That's the first one, Miss Dior. Second one. Oh, that's really cute. And that's the door. That's the Joy. And that's your Poison. And yeah, that's that. It's really cute, guys. I think this is such a great gift ideas. And for all the perfume lovers out there, I think if you wanna just, you know, you don't wanna buy the big bottle, you wanna try, you know, try them out first. I think this is a great idea because then you can, you know, pick which one is your favorite. Oh, I love that. Okay, so now let's unbox this big sucker. Alright. So I actually ordered this online. Yeah, Furla. So that's just a tag, dust bag. So this one is actually called Furla 1927 slippers, and it's got the nice Furla logo. And this is made in Italy. So this actually reminds me of the Gucci Princedown slippers. I got this for 210 Australian dollars. So I got it in size 35. What do you think? So it is made of Napa leather. So it's really nice and soft. So last but not least, I went shopping today at Myer. So it's a big department store here in Australia. My receipt. So I've got some clothes because these are all on sale. I got a good bargain. So I got this nice dress. So this one was actually $200 down to 50 bucks. So what a bargain. And my partner Phil actually picked this out, pointed this out for me. So I just need to take it out because it's a bit long for my liking. But yeah, it's pretty. And I got this nice top. And this one was $69.95 down to $35. It's just a nice green color. It's got like this sort of snake pattern. And I got a couple of Tommy Hilfiger shirts. So this one is $69.95. I got it down for I think it was 30% off that price. Get that. And another one here. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Oh, and by the way, on my last video I included a blooper and I got lots of positive comments, so thank you so much. And also lots of comments about Phil's contribution, so he really appreciates it. And there'll be more blooper to come. So thank you again for watching, guys. Until next time, bye for now.